Good morning, my little ones. Hope you all are keeping fine. I am your Sarita ma'am. Now, tell me which two topics we learned yesterday? We learned a new shape, that is flower shape, and also we learned a new number, that is number 16. Now, first of all, let us revise the 5 shapes of flowers that we did yesterday.
This is the first shape. This is the second shape. This is the third shape. This is the fourth shape. And this is the fifth shape.
Now, let us once again revise number 16, that is 1, 6, 16 by counting some objects. Now, let us count and see how many crayons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 crayons. 1, 6, 16. Now, let us count these pebbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and one more 16. There are 16 pebbles. 1, 6, 16. Flowers, flowers, oh so beautiful. You make my day fun and wonderful. Hey kids, you all like flowers, right? आप सबको flowers पसंद है ना? So, in today's session, let us learn a rhyme related to flowers.
Come on kids, let us sing a rhyme on flowers. Are you all ready? Then come, sing along with me. Red, white, pink and blue, good to smell and look at too. Lilies and roses all in a row. Don't pluck them, just let them grow. One more time, sing with me. Red, white, pink and blue, good to smell and look at too. Lilies and roses all in a row. Don't pluck them, just let them grow. One more time. Red, white, pink and blue, good to smell and look at too. Lilies and roses all in a row. Don't pluck them, just let them grow.
Now, let us practice writing number 16 in our notebook. Today's date is 1.12.2020. That means 1st December 2020. And today we are going to write number 16 in our square line notebook. 1, 6, 16. 16 being a 2-digit number. The first number, that is 1, we will write below T, and the second number, that is 6, we will write below O. So, let's start. 1. After leaving some space from above, we will make a standing line for 1. Touch the bottom line here and make a slant line. Touch the bottom line, make a curve and go up. 16. 1. 6. 16. 1. Make a slant line, touch the bottom line, go up. 16. 1. Slant line, go up. 16. Again, 1. Make a slant line, go up. 16. 1. 16. 1. 6. 16. 1. 6. 16. 1. 6. 16. 1. 6. 16. In this way, you have to finish writing number 16 in whole page. Now, let us see the solution of the exercise which was given to you yesterday.
Kids, did you finish the coloring exercise which was given to you yesterday? I know you all must have colored the flowers beautifully and neatly like this.
I hope you all are clear about today's session. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, take care and